Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the TV rating for more kid-friendly on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings, and from the Settings screen, scroll down, then tap on Screen Time. Next, we go down, and in here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then go down and tap on Content Restrictions. Then tap on TV, and in here, choose whether you want to allow or don't allow TV at all, or TVY, TVY7, TVG, PG, 14, and Mature Adult MA. So select one of the options, which is more kid-friendly, and then tap on the back key to go back to your settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.